Alright guys, here today we are discussing this Letour LED rechargeable headlamp. This is like a floodlight for your forehead. I use this because I have like a 600-foot driveway and I always have to bring down a big garbage can and a big recycle bin every week, and it's pitch black. We don't have any street lights here, and I can't carry a flashlight because I got my hands full with the garbage and recycle bin. And I had a little small one before, just wasn't very bright, couldn't see much farther than my head. And then I got this bad boy here from Letour, and this thing just illuminates everything as I'm about to show you. A couple of quick notes: this is waterproof, it's adjustable, again it's rechargeable, it has several modes, this super bright flood, a dim light if you don't want to have too much brightness, and then it has this like emergency strobe here. And another cool feature of this is it has these rechargeable batteries built into it, and you don't have to take the batteries out to recharge them, you can just plug it in. But if only one of the battery power was remaining, you can still use this emergency light. So that's pretty cool right there. Nice little safety feature. It's comfortable to wear, as you can see. What I love about this is that it just kind of floods the entire area with a nice white brightness so that I can see everything, not only like directly in front of me like most headlamps do, but to the sides as well. It's a 120-degree field of view. It's awesome. Let's take a look. All right, so here I am outside with my current headlamp, which I use to take down the garbage to the bottom of the driveway, which is like a 600-700 foot walk at nighttime. Okay, and here is the Letour. Boom. Daytime. So it's basically like wearing the sun on your head. So I've never actually seen quite a headlamp like this. I can see everything. So I've gone from seeing like a 2.5 foot circle of light in front of me to literally seeing every single thing in front of me. Here's what it looks like on low power. If you don't want to, blind people or whatever, blind the neighbors. The video is showing like a flickering, but that's just on the video. You can't see that with your eyes. And here is the emergency flashing. Pretty cool. You get lost hiking or whatever. Oh, it's got some like other built-in SOS kind of signal here. And here we are in the dark. Boom, there's a floodlight. It does illuminate things at a very wide arc. It's not like a laser shooting forward too far, but it does illuminate every single thing in a massive arc right in front of you. Cool little illuminated X on the back here too. It's adjustable, you fit in multiple sizes. This flashlight here can actually be removed, and you can adjust it down or up or what have you. All right guys, so I'm highly recommending this Letour headlamp. I've been using it for several weeks now, hasn't failed me once. I haven't even had to recharge it. If you're working outside on something at nighttime, or you're taking down the garbage like I am, or you're hunting or what have you, or hiking, this thing is essential. You can't beat it for the price. Highly recommended, 5 stars.